What employment contract terms can you actually negotiate? Imagine walking into a job offer and wondering what parts of the contract you can change. It might seem like everything is set in stone, but many terms are actually open for discussion. When you sign an employment contract, it's a legal agreement that covers what both you and your employer agree on. Knowing which parts you can negotiate helps you get better conditions and feel more confident about your job. First, let's look at the main parts of an employment contract. The position and duties are usually clear, but you can sometimes negotiate the scope of your responsibilities or your job title. Salary is a big one. Most people try to negotiate a higher pay or better benefits like health insurance or retirement plans. It's worth doing research on what others in your field earn to support your case. Work hours and schedules are also negotiable. If you want flexible hours or the option to work from home, bring it up early. The length of your employment matters too. If it's a fixed-term contract, you can ask about the duration and renewal options. When it comes to ending the job, you can negotiate notice periods or severance pay. This can give you extra security if things don't work out. Confidentiality agreements and non-disclosure clauses are common, but you can sometimes negotiate their scope or duration. If you're asked to sign over intellectual property rights, clarify what that means for your creations or inventions. Now, some terms are more flexible than others. Salary and benefits are often open to discussion, especially if you have competing offers or special skills. Non-compete clauses can be adjusted to limit how long or how far they apply, so they don't overly restrict your future job options. Severance packages are also negotiable, giving you peace of mind if layoffs happen. Work-life balance can be improved by asking for flexible hours or additional time off. Performance expectations should be clear, so you know what's required to succeed and avoid misunderstandings. To negotiate effectively, do your homework. Find out what similar roles pay and what benefits are standard. Write down your priorities and draft your key points. Always put negotiations in writing to keep everything clear. Employers often want to attract top talent and might be willing to make concessions. Approach negotiations professionally and focus on mutual gains. Remember, it's about creating a fair agreement that works for both sides. Knowing what you can negotiate and how to do it makes a big difference in your employment experience.